Hello, and welcome to a grab and go put on by me, Christine, the teen librarian at the Jones Creek branch of the East Baton Rouge Parish Library System. Today, we will be using solar beads to make a bracelet. The neat thing about solar beads is that in UV light, they change color. So, if you go outside, your bracelet, which was once clear plastic, will change. You will need string, one piece that is about a yard or even 40 inches long, and one piece that is around half a yard or 15 inches long. You will need solar beads. You will also need scissors and tape. Start your bracelet by folding your longer string in half so you can find the middle. Take your shorter string and match it up. I'm going to tie a knot with all 3 strands and tie a knot again. We're going to take this end and our tape and tape it down to our work surface so it'll stay down. You can also use a clipboard or a binder clip to hold it in place. Our next task is again to do a series of knots. I'm going to take my string on the right hand side, make it into a loop on the underside of my strings, reach through with my fingers, and pull that through. Then I'm going to take my string on my left hand side, make a loop underneath, reach through or pull my string, and pull that up to the top. I'm going to do that sequence of right, left 4 more times. I'm going to take my lighter colored string and my middle string, make a P shape with the string underneath the middle, and pull that string through the P up to the top. I'm going to do this 10 times. Then I'm going to take a bead and string it onto my leftmost strand. And now I'm going to make a P with my left strand over my middle dark strand. Well, it's more of a Q on this side, isn't it? And tighten that up so that this makes a sort of wave. I'll do 10 more of this. Now I'll take another bead and string it onto the far side, which is the light green in my case. I'll slide that up, curve my string around, and do 10 P loops of light green around the central dark green. 1, 10 more. So I slide another bead onto the leftmost strand. Make a P. Curve this in and tie it up. Alright, I've done enough beads for my bracelet, so I'm going to slide one last one on, tie this green to make it a nice curved loop, and start working on finishing off, because this is how much I have left. I'm going to do the same thing I did to start my bracelet. And with my last little bit, I'll add another bead. I'll tie this one between my 3 strands. Or maybe the 2 that actually cooperate. So we're going to trim our messy ends. And put our bracelet on. The loop you made at the beginning goes over the bead you put on at the end. And it's fastened. Thank you for your time. I hope you have enjoyed this grab and go opportunity.